Time tracking software has become an essential tool for businesses aiming to boost productivity and streamline workflow. But when it comes to choosing the right solution, the price tag can be more complicated than it first appears. In this video, we'll break down the real costs behind time tracking software, going beyond just the advertised subscription fees. We'll explore what you actually pay for, including seats, add-ons, and hidden charges, so you can make an informed decision for your team or company. Let's start by understanding what time tracking software typically offers and why it's so widely adopted. Most time tracking software provides a set of core features: tracking hours worked, generating reports, and integrating with payroll or project management tools. These basics are what attract most businesses, promising efficiency and transparency. However, the way these features are packaged and priced can vary greatly between providers. Some offer all-in-one solutions, while others charge separately for each module. Understanding these core features is the first step to evaluating whether the software meets your needs and if the cost aligns with the value delivered. The most visible cost of time tracking software is the subscription fee. This is usually charged on a monthly or annual basis and may be billed per user or as a flat rate for a certain number of users. While some providers advertise low entry prices, these often apply only to basic plans with limited features. As your needs grow, so does the subscription cost. It's important to look beyond the headline price and consider what's included, as well as what might require an upgrade. Seat pricing refers to the cost per user or per employee who will access the software. Many time tracking platforms charge based on the number of active users, which means your expenses can scale quickly as your team grows. Some vendors offer discounts for larger teams, but it's crucial to calculate how many seats you'll actually need, including managers, administrators, and even temporary staff. Overestimating or underestimating seats can lead to unnecessary costs or workflow bottlenecks. Beyond the basic subscription, many time tracking solutions offer add-ons or extra modules for advanced features. These might include GPS tracking, invoicing, advanced analytics, or integrations with other business tools. While these add-ons can enhance functionality, they often come with additional fees. It's important to assess which extras are truly necessary for your workflow and budget accordingly, as these costs can add up quickly and significantly impact your total spend. Some costs aren't immediately obvious when you first sign up for time tracking software. These hidden fees can include charges for data storage, customer support, onboarding, or exceeding usage limits. It's essential to read the fine print and ask vendors about any potential extra charges. Being aware of these hidden fees helps you avoid unpleasant surprises and ensures you're comparing true costs between different providers. Implementing new software often involves more than just paying for licenses. There may be setup fees, costs for migrating data from old systems, or expenses related to customizing the platform for your business. Some vendors provide onboarding assistance for free, while others charge a premium. Factoring in these implementation costs is crucial for understanding the full investment required to get your time tracking system up and running smoothly. Even the most intuitive time tracking software requires some level of training for your team, whether it's formal training sessions, online tutorials, or time spent learning on the job. These efforts represent a real cost in terms of productivity and resources. Some vendors offer free training materials, but others may charge for advanced support or certification. Don't overlook the time and money needed to get everyone up to speed. Many businesses rely on a suite of software tools, and integrating your time tracking solution with existing systems can be vital. Some platforms offer seamless integrations for free, while others charge for connecting with payroll, project management, or accounting software. Integration costs can be one-time or ongoing, depending on the complexity and the vendor's pricing model. Make sure to account for these expenses when budgeting for your time tracking solution. With remote work on the rise, mobile access to time tracking software is increasingly important. Some providers include mobile apps in their standard packages, while others charge extra for mobile device support or advanced mobile features. If your team works on the go, be sure to check whether mobile access is included and if there are any additional fees for using smartphones or tablets. Protecting sensitive employee and business data is a top priority. Some time tracking vendors include robust security features as part of their package, while others offer advanced security or compliance modules at an extra cost. Depending on your industry, you may need to invest in additional privacy controls or certifications. These security-related expenses are essential for safeguarding your data and maintaining trust with your team. Good customer support can make a big difference in your experience with time tracking software. Some vendors provide basic support for free, but charge for premium service levels, faster response times, or dedicated account managers. If your business relies on quick issue resolution, consider the cost of upgrading to higher support tiers. These fees can be recurring and should be factored into your overall budget. Software evolves over time, and vendors may release new versions or upgrades with enhanced features. While some upgrades are included in your subscription, others may require additional payments. It's important to clarify the vendor's upgrade policy and understand whether future enhancements will be free or come with extra charges. This helps you avoid unexpected expenses as your needs change. Vendors often offer discounts for committing to longer contract terms, such as annual or multi-year agreements. While this can lower your monthly rate, it also locks you in for a set period. If your business needs change or you're dissatisfied with the software, breaking the contract may incur penalties. Weigh the benefits of lower pricing against the risks of long-term commitment before signing any agreement. Many time tracking vendors offer free trials or demo versions to let you test their software before committing. While these trials can be helpful, they often come with limitations on features, user numbers, or duration. Be sure to understand what's included in the trial and what will change once you move to a paid plan. This helps you avoid surprises and ensures the software truly fits your needs. As your business grows, your time tracking needs may change. Some software scales easily with your team, while others require costly upgrades or migrations to higher tier plans. Consider how the platform handles increased users, additional projects, or new locations. Planning for scalability ensures you won't face unexpected costs or disruptions as your company expands. Switching to a new time tracking system can temporarily disrupt your workflow. Downtime during setup, data migration, or training can lead to lost productivity, which is a real cost for your business. While this is often a short-term issue, it's important to plan for it and minimize the impact by scheduling implementation during slower periods or providing extra support to your team. If you ever decide to switch time tracking providers, you may need to export your data. Some vendors charge fees for data export or limit the formats available. Ensuring your data is portable and accessible is crucial for business continuity and compliance. Always check the vendor's data export policies before committing to a platform. Depending on your industry and location, you may need your time tracking software to comply with specific regulations, such as GDPR or labor laws. Some vendors offer compliance features or certifications at an extra cost. Failing to meet legal requirements can result in fines or legal action, so it's worth investing in compliant solutions to protect your business. Some businesses require custom workflows or integrations that go beyond standard features. Vendors may offer customization services or API access for an additional fee. These options can be powerful, but they also add to your total cost. Consider whether you truly need custom solutions or if off-the-shelf features will suffice for your operations. Integrating with third-party tools like Slack, Trello, or QuickBooks can boost productivity, but some time tracking vendors charge for these connections. Fees may be one-time or recurring, depending on the integration's complexity. Always check which integrations are included in your plan and which require additional payment. If your business operates in multiple locations or countries, you may face additional costs for supporting different time zones, currencies, or languages. Some vendors charge extra for international features or require you to purchase separate licenses for each region. Make sure your chosen software can handle your geographic needs without breaking the bank. Advanced user management features, such as custom roles or granular permissions, may not be included in basic plans. Vendors often charge extra for these capabilities, which are important for larger organizations with complex hierarchies. If you need detailed control over who can access what, be prepared for potential additional costs. Basic reporting is usually included, but advanced analytics or custom report builders may require an upgrade. These features can provide deeper insights into productivity and project costs, but they often come with a higher price tag. Evaluate whether your business needs advanced analytics or if standard reports will suffice. Some time tracking platforms offer advanced notification or alert systems to keep your team on track. While basic notifications may be free, more sophisticated alerting such as SMS, push notifications, or automated reminders can incur extra charges. Decide which notification features are essential for your workflow and budget accordingly. If your team works in areas with limited internet connectivity, offline access to time tracking software is crucial. Some vendors offer offline modes or syncing capabilities as part of premium plans. These features ensure uninterrupted tracking, but may come at an additional cost. Confirm whether offline access is included or requires an upgrade. For agencies or businesses wanting to present a unified brand, white labeling or custom branding options are available, often at a premium. This allows you to use your own logo, colors, and domain, enhancing professionalism but increasing costs. Decide if branding is worth the investment for your organization's image. Long-term data storage or archiving may not be included in standard plans. If you need to retain records for compliance or historical analysis, vendors may charge for extended data retention or archiving services. Make sure your chosen plan covers your data needs or budget for additional storage fees. Some platforms alert you when you're approaching usage limits, such as seats, projects, or storage. While basic notifications may be free, advanced overage alerts or automated upgrades can incur extra charges. These features help you avoid service interruptions but may add to your monthly bill. If your time tracking software includes invoicing or payment collection, there may be payment processing fees. These are usually a percentage of each transaction and can add up over time. Be sure to factor in these costs if you plan to use the software for billing clients or collecting payments. Some vendors offer programs where you can request new features or provide feedback, but priority requests or custom development may come with a fee. If you need the software to evolve with your business, consider whether you're willing to pay for feature requests or expedited development. Switching to a new time tracking provider can be costly, especially if your data is not easily portable or if you've invested heavily in customizations. Consider the long-term implications of vendor lock-in, including potential migration fees, retraining, and lost productivity. Planning ahead can help you avoid being trapped by high switching costs. The effectiveness of time tracking software depends on user adoption. If employees resist using the tool, you may need to invest in incentives, additional training, or change management programs. These indirect costs can be significant, especially in larger organizations. Ensuring buy-in from your team is key to maximizing your investment. Keeping your time tracking software up to date is essential for security and performance. Some vendors include maintenance and updates in the subscription, while others charge separately for major upgrades or technical support. Factor these ongoing costs into your total cost of ownership to avoid surprises down the road. If your business manages multiple projects, check whether your time tracking software supports unlimited projects or charges per project. Some vendors limit the number of active projects in lower tier plans, requiring you to upgrade for more capacity. This can be a significant cost factor for agencies or consultancies. Some time tracking solutions require specific hardware, such as biometric scanners or dedicated terminals, especially for on-site teams. These devices can represent a significant upfront investment in addition to ongoing software fees. Ensure your chosen solution is compatible with your existing devices or budget for new hardware if necessary. Time tracking software is typically offered as a cloud service, but some vendors provide on-premises options. Cloud solutions usually have lower upfront costs, but ongoing subscription fees, while on-premises systems may require a larger initial investment for servers and IT support. Consider which deployment model best fits your budget and technical capabilities. Transitioning from a free trial to a paid plan can sometimes involve setup fees, data migration, or changes in available features. Make sure you understand what happens when your trial ends and what steps are needed to ensure a smooth transition. This helps you avoid service interruptions and unexpected costs. To truly understand the cost of time tracking software, you need to look at the total cost of ownership. This includes not just subscription fees, but all the additional expenses we've discussed: add-ons, support, training, hardware, and more. Creating a comprehensive budget helps you compare options and avoid surprises down the line. Ultimately, the real cost of time tracking software should be weighed against the value it brings to your business. Consider the potential for increased productivity, reduced errors, and better project management. Calculate the return on investment by comparing the total cost to the benefits gained, ensuring the software is a worthwhile investment for your organization. Don't be afraid to negotiate with vendors for better pricing or additional features. Many providers are willing to offer discounts, custom packages, or extended trials to win your business. Prepare a list of your requirements and be clear about your budget to get the best deal possible. Before making a final decision, read reviews and case studies from other businesses similar to yours. These resources can provide insight into hidden costs, customer support quality, and real-world performance. Learning from others' experiences helps you avoid common pitfalls and choose the best solution for your needs. To wrap up, create a checklist of all potential costs associated with your chosen time tracking software. Include subscription fees, seat pricing, add-ons, support, training, hardware, and any other relevant expenses. This checklist will serve as a valuable tool for comparing vendors and ensuring you don't overlook any hidden charges. In summary, the real cost of time tracking software goes far beyond the advertised price. From seat pricing and add-ons to hidden fees and implementation costs, it's essential to consider every aspect before making a commitment. By understanding and budgeting for all potential expenses, you can choose a solution that fits your needs and delivers real value to your business. Now that you have a clear understanding of the real costs involved in time tracking software, you're better equipped to make a smart decision for your business. Take the time to evaluate your needs, compare vendors, and plan your budget carefully. With the right approach, you'll find a solution that not only fits your finances, but also supports your team's productivity and growth.